Are you looking for a laptops for AutoCAD? In this video, I will show you the 5 best laptops for AutoCAD based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Acer Aspire 5 Slim. Powerful and portable, the Aspire 5 laptop delivers on every aspect of everyday computing. Housing a 10th Gen Intel Core processor, this Aspire 5 can tackle any job no matter how complex. The narrow bezel design offers more real estate for amazing images. Crisp, true-to-life colors come alive on a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with Acer Color Intelligence. Keep your eyes free from strain and watch or work for long sessions using Acer Blue Light Shield. Creativity soars to new heights with sharp, crisp visuals showcased on the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen, while the thin bezel provides you more space to work with wherever inspiration strikes. It's the perfect companion to take with you wherever you go. The 4th product on the list is the Lenovo Ideapad L340. The Lenovo 15.6-inch laptop casual top loader T210 is the perfect computer carrying case for anyone looking for a sleek, modern, relaxed bag. This convenient laptop shoulder bag is large enough to hold any brand of computer up to 15.6 inches, held securely in a designated padded compartment. The large main area also has room for books, a notepad, and other accessories, while smaller, separate internal pockets can hold business cards, mobile devices, and other helpful tools. The 3rd product on the list is the Dell G315. Your laptop is equipped with a dual-fan cooling system to help spread out heat and keep your system responsive. This maximizes the fan's speed to keep your system cool while the processor works harder. 15.6-inch FHD 300 nits IPS anti-glare LED backlit display that's complemented by a 2-sided narrow bezel. Personalize your space and setup to make your software look and feel precisely the way you want it. Create a unique game profile and it stays just how you want it, no matter where you launch. The 2nd product on the list is the Asus ROG Zephyrus M15. Asus ROG Zephyrus M15 gaming laptop, NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics provide vivid visuals on the Full HD display, while the Intel Core i7 processor and 24GB of RAM delivers smooth performance. This Asus laptop has a 512GB PCIe SSD for ample storage and fast bootups, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology ensures seamless pairing with compatible devices. Windows 10 brings back the Start menu of Windows 7 and introduces new features, such as the Edge web browser, that allows you to mark up web pages on the screen. Powerful 6-core, 12-way processing performance. Intel Turbo Boost technology delivers dynamic extra power when you need it, while increasing energy efficiency when you don't. The 1st product on the list is the Asus TUF Gaming A15 gaming laptop. Geared for serious gaming and real-world durability, the TUF Gaming A15 is a fully loaded gaming laptop that can carry you to victory. Efficient self-cleaning cooling combines with TUF's signature military-grade durability to make this battle-tested road warrior a reliable ally for gamers on the go. Armed with the strength to tackle any situation, the TUF Gaming A15 delivers dependable performance for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. The combination of AMD Ryzen 4000 series CPU and NVIDIA GeForce graphics powers through serious multitasking and gaming. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.